Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. I'm so excited for the month of April to be unboxing the Witch's Bounty box. I'm just so happy, guys. I actually took all the stuffing and wrapping out of there, so when I open this, the shedding doesn't go everywhere, but I love the Witch's Moon. They always package everything so amazing, so nothing is going to be breaking on us, guys. So be sure to check out the Witch's Moon, guys. I'll have them linked down below, and let's unbox this box. I'm super excited. We have some Vanilla Skies incense. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla, but let's see what the theme is for this month, guys. So the theme is a visionary void. It says, as we continue to refine our practices and explore new energies, we inevitably sharpen our ability to use our intuition and vision more effectively. This can refer to reading energies, capturing glimpses of future occurrences, or starting to truly feel what is happening on a deeper level around us. Our intuition also relates to understanding what our inner self may need at any given time. This allows us to foster ourselves on a deeper and more meaningful life. One of the most core values we can credit our craft for is the ability to refine our psychic, sight, and ethereal sense. Vision working is an absolutely beneficial skill to have when working with others, attracting new ideas, cultivating understandings, and creating elements of magic in our lives. This very unique and special collection resonates so deeply with us as we hold these teachings so close to us in our daily practices. The magical items in this box are as follows. So there's this very beautiful Book of Shadows artwork, guys, of lapis lazuli. I'll be having close-ups for you so you can see. So beautiful. I just love this artwork. So what we've all been waiting for is the pendant of this month, guys. Let's see what it is. It's in this beautiful blue silk box. It's lapis lazuli. It's so beautiful, guys. Do you see it? I'll have close-up for you so you guys can see. So it's a 925 sterling silver pendant with lapis lazuli, and the little gemstone on top is blue kyanite. So this is a kyanite and lapis lazuli seed of life pendant, guys. It's in 925 sterling silver. It's a one-of-a-kind pendant, was created for this very special collection for the subscribers of the Witch's Bounty. You will find that the half of the other pendant contains the seed of life sacred geometry design and lapis lazuli in the other. Sacred geometry is simply represented as the mathematical and geometrical shapes that are found throughout nature. You often find these designs including within sacred sites around the world, including but not limited to sacred groves, holy wells, buildings of worship, altars, monuments, etc. Some of the more common designs that are immediately recognizable are the honeycomb as well as the spiral shell. As related to the Fibonacci spiral, these concepts explore the idea that all things have been made with divine planning and creation. The specific seed of life design contains even interconnected spheres representing the building blocks of creation and expansion. Life design contains 7 interconnected spheres representing the building blocks of creation and expansion. The number 7 also relates to a variety of sacred systems, including the chakras, the higher worlds, and the lower worlds of Hinduism, the 7 heavens mentioned in the Quran, and the 7 steps of enlightenment found within Buddhism. The seed of life resonates with our interconnection with life on earth and the universal existence. Lapis lazuli is one of our favorite stones and holds so much deep and mystical powers. The lapis lazuli is just an amazing stone in general, guys, and they have the seed of life on here, and I just love all the information the Witch's Moon has on here. I'll have it linked at the end of the video if you guys want to read more. I try to read it, guys, but then it's just like I'm reading it wrong because the ring light is so bright and I can't see. But I just love this pendant and all the magic within this pendant. I love how it's used within Egypt and all the magic lapis lazuli has for us. So such a beautiful stone, guys, and it looks like we have a rough piece of it too in here. Or is this blue kyanite? Okay, this is blue kyanite, guys, I can tell. So beautiful, little piece of blue kyanite in this blue pouch. So love that. Oops, dropping the stone. And it looks like we have a candle in here, guys. So it looks like it's this beautiful cobalt blue beeswax ball candle. So magical and resonates with the energy of this box, guys. And we have this necklace, so if you wanted to attach it on this rope necklace you can, or just use a sterling silver necklace that you can get from thewitchesmoon.com if it's available, or just any place that sells those necklaces. And it looks like there's a little potion in here too. So we have this Insight Within Magical Anointing Oil, guys. Ooh, it looks like there's chamomile in here. Ooh, this smells so beautiful. I love this I just feel the magic within it, like it's just so cleansing and activating your third eye. Like I just feel the magic within this, guys, and what the title says is so beautiful. I just love that, and I love everything in this Witch's Bounty box for the month of April, guys. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon, guys. I'm gonna have the link down below. Let them know that I sent you guys. They're just amazing and have so many neat subscription boxes like this one and their magical moon market. Also, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below so you'll always be notified for future content. And like always, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace, and so it is. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.